again we are doing a scalp thread as you saw. So scalp threads are what? These are made up of PDO collagen threads, very thin. Scalp threads are as thin as your own hair. So they are placed just below the epidermal lining because there it's where the hair follicles are. Below the epidermal lining we place the threads and they boost the hair growth for a long time. It can go up to 3 years. When can you see the result? Starting from 3 months you can see the growth of the hair. This treatment can be combined with other growth factor therapy like PRP, GFC, QR678, micro needling, all of this. If not, it can be done alone also. It gives good result. Also, it is ideal for those patients who cannot go for hair transplant or do not want to go for hair transplant but also want to boost their hair growth. So it works for them. Along with some serums and all, this is a very good treatment and alternative to hair transplantation.